Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Just got a quick video for you guys. Let me show you. We're just we had done an ambient light in the 2017 Highlander, but we want to replace it with a better, different one. Let me show you real quick. So I had an ambient light right in here. I took it out already, so we're gonna put another one. So to do so, you have to take this off, and it's as simple as getting a pry removal tool, pop it to the side, and then just work your way around it. So just use your pry tool to pop this off. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. Oops. All right, and then unplug this plug here. And then here, this is just a little holder. There's a little clip on the bottom. Just push it down, and then there you go. This comes off. So now this is the new one we bought, guys. It's from AliExpress. So now all I have to do is run the wires. Okay, ready? So it's a little longer than that one, which is fine. So we just run it on the edge here. And I ran it a little longer just for safety. Okay, and then push this underneath here. Yep. Okay, let's fix it again, make sure it goes in there. Okay, once the cable is underneath here, use this little connection that comes with it. So all you really have to do is, so this cable, this is part of the climate control unit. It comes with a little pigtail. So the big piece goes right in here, and this other piece will go into the climate control. This piece right here goes right up here. That's really it. All you have to do now, it's a matter of, hold on, grab this piece, plug it into here. Now let's plug this thing back in. Before we do anything, let's just test it real quick. Put the key in. Oh, the lights are automatic, right? Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it. You probably get another video at night. It's definitely on. Looks really good. It's really nice. So now when it works, turn off the car. Let's fix the cable. Wow, that's a very nice blue, guys. I really like it. Really good. It's gonna look beautiful at night. All right, so make sure this is all the way in. Now just clip this back in. That's really it, guys. So now if you could see how nice that blue look, I'll show you. You'll get another video at night. Super simple, guys. See, very nice. All right. All right, guys, nice and short. I bought the part from AliExpress. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace.